So the first page you're greeted with is the login page. Here you can put your username, your password, and login. If you don't have a user profile or a coach profile created, you press the register button and you can create one by putting your name, your username, and a password. Going back to the login page. So here I already have a user profile created. I'll just log in. So typically this will be your coach's profile that he will create for himself. He logs in, and the next page is the main app page. So here all of the information relating to the routine that was just performed will be presented. So each coach has his profile and then can create several athlete profiles. You just have to fill in this form and you create a new athlete profile with 1, 2, or 3 routines. Here we can select one of the created athlete profiles. For example, Diogo Abreu routine number 2. You can see that the skill names appear here in this table. We can then start counting the routine and simulate someone jumping on the trampoline. We can see that after each skill, the time of flight is represented in this bar graph over here. The horizontal displacement is represented in this trampoline image, showing where the athlete falls on each skill. And in this table we can see the various horizontal displacement deductions, the time of flight, the total time of flight, the total horizontal displacement deduction. We can also see here in the commands, you can see the stop button if you want to stop the routine in the middle, and you can save this routine to the defined athlete profile. If we want to see more details for a specific athlete profile, we press the View Profile button. Here we can see who is the coach of Diogo Abreu. In this case, it's Diogo Abreu also. We can see his level, his age, and the day he was born, and the routines that are saved for his profile. If we press the Edit Profile button, we can change all of that information and edit if he changes his routines. We can also delete the profile altogether. If you go back, we can also go to the routine history page. In this page, all of the routines that were saved to Diogo Abreu's profile are shown. We can also see the routine scores in a more graphical manner by pressing the View button, like this. Or we can delete a saved routine if we want to. Here we have several filter options. We can filter by a specific routine number, by a time interval, and then we can order however we want, by time of flight, by horizontal displacement, etc.